Welcome to Korogocho. Korogocho is the third largest slum in Kenya.
My name's Njeri Kabiru.
I'm Charity from Slum Child Foundation.
I'm George from Slum Child Foundation.
Yes, George is the founder, and we're going to have a partnership to train the young mothers aged between 13 to 20, and they've had children in the last 2 years and below, and especially during this COVID season, they're out of school. We are planning to have a partnership with George to train them on what I do. I am an artist. I do craft different types of art using waste materials.
Nairobi has the second largest number of teenage girls, and the most affected places are the informal settlements. In partnership with Craftsmanship, we are very, very much grateful that we are going to help change the life of teenage moms in Korogocho.
Let's visit one of the teenage mothers, get to hear from her, and see why you and I need to come together and empower these girls.
Mimi naitwa Paulina King, niko 19 years old. Mimi ni mama ya mtoto msichana anaitwa Njeri. Mimi hufanya nini, kupika chapo, like nasaidia mama kupika chapo jioni saa moja. Nimesoma mpaka form 4, but shida ni story na fee. Mara saa nyingine baada sikuwa nimeregister, sasa fee pia ilikuwa inanirudisha home.
Apart from kupika chapo, hakuna kitu kingine unafanyanga?
Naweza taka kula something yenye itanisaidia kwa life yangu na mtoi na familia yangu. Kwa chini hiyo hapa kwa tu side tunakaa watano.
Na nyinyi wote mnategemea busy ya mama? Okay. Sawa. So as we said with George, that's why we are here for girls like Pauline. I think there are many more, and our goal is just to empower them, give them a skill that will feed them and their children.
Yeah.
So, and that is why you guys need to partner with us. Not just me, not just Craftsmanship, but Slum Child in Korogocho. Partner with us. Let's empower more girls. Let's give these children and their children a future.